Rere kambeni cia githurano kia mwaka twerekeire wa 2027 ithiete na mbere kunyita thinga. Kanjo iri ramataga wandiki wa mohoro guku bururi-ini niruguritie mwerekera wa uruti wa wira wa mwaka wa 2026-2030 oro undu umwe na mitaratara ya umemerekia wa riboti ikoniye githurano kia mwaka twerekeire. Minister wa ICT William Kabogo ni umwe wa aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri kuria ateaniirie muhuhu wa ati kuri na watho ukoretwo githugundwo gukinyio mbunge-ini wa gukagiririria nyumba cia mohoro kumemerekia riboti cia imwe kwa imwe ikoniye ithurano ici.
In any law that is going to stop live streaming. This is street talks. And if it is going to become a bill, let us discuss the bill. One thing we enjoy in our Constitution 2010 is protection of free media, right? Right to information is under Section 35 of our Constitution. Every Kenyan has a right.
Kabogo akiuga thirikari ndiri na mubango o wothe wa kuhotomia wiyathi wa nyumba cia mohoro, no ningi akihinyiriria ati no muhaka nyumba cia mohoro oro undu umwe na andiki a mohoro kiumbe kugia na wigiririki ukinyaniri-ini wa riboti ciao.
We are talking about responsible journalism. You cannot be able to be a journalist and participate in campaigns or in saying this is a better person than the other or so and so. You should be neutral so that you give neutral, proper coverage. And this is what we ask of journalists.
Ihinda-ini o riu akiuga thirikari ni hariirie kugitira andiki a mohoro kumana na tharikira iria ikoretwo ikihanika na gutiga aingi na nguraro.
Any type of attack to a journalist or to a Kenyan is illegal. And that's why I'm happy, because I've scanned through the document that is launched, and we should be able to offer protection to journalists to do your work, because your work is important also for the world to know what is it that is happening in the elections that are coming. And you have started quite early. So we are promising to be able to facilitate, and where we go wrong, let us know.
Kanjo ino ya kuramata wandiki wa mohoro ona kuhanura uguo yugite kuri na bata munene wa guthomithia weru andiki a mohoro ohoro wigie wigiririki wao hindi ya ithurano.
The latest report from MCK, more than 75% of journalists will be covering elections for the first time. That statistic is not merely a number, it's a call to action. If 3 out of 4 journalists covering this election will be doing so for the first time, training cannot be an event we organize closer to the elections. It must be a sustained investment beginning now.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.